We'll look at some of the top add-ons in this video to help you get the most out of your GoPro Hero 13 and improve your travels.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Tomat hard case to protect your GoPro Hero 13. The Tomat hard case is an essential piece of gear. For everyone who wants to keep their gear in perfect shape, this sturdy and small case is a must-have. The Hero 13 rugged waterproof carrying case is made specifically for GoPro gear. High-quality ABS material makes up the exterior, which is wear and pressure-resistant, anti-collision and anti-drop, IP67 waterproof and dust-proof. The valve design has good sealing to keep your product dry and clean. Customized EVA material makes up the inner liner, and the top cover increases the elasticity of the sponge cushion protection, giving your GoPro camera and related accessories all-around protection. The portability, large capacity, robust protection, hard and waterproof, etc. are characteristics of the Tomat waterproof case. It's appropriate for many water sports, travel, trekking, skiing, and shooting on wet days, among other activities. The Tomat hard case makes sure that your GoPro Hero 13 and its attachments are always accessible and prepared for action, whether you're taking it to the mountains for a weekend of skiing or to a tropical location for some underwater exploration. On number 2, we have Pellking body mount for GoPro Hero 13 enthusiasts who wish to record immersive, first-person viewpoints of their excursions. The Pellking body mount is an essential device. This accessory employs quick-release design, which can be disassembled in 1 second. It is very convenient to switch between backpack clips, wrist straps, headbands, and chest straps without having to move screws carefully. Ideal for skiing, hiking, snowboarding, mountain biking, cycling, kayaking, rafting, and other adrenaline-fueled sports. Comfortable, fully adjustable design suits all shapes and sizes, especially over bulky jackets, interlined with an anti-skid material for good wear, even when you are sweating. Chest strap gives you a lower than the helmet view of the action. Head strap provide immersive experience. It's a perfect companion for your camera while your travels. On number 3, we have Telesin magnetic mount. The Telesin magnetic mount is a game-changer for GoPro Hero 13 users who want to take steady, distinctive shots. Equipped with 360 rotation ball head can easily complete various shooting views such as horizontal/vertical photographing and tilting reversal. Using knob connection, lock clockwise, unlock clockwise. Just 1 step to secure it and 1 step to release. Made of excellent ABS installed with multiple rows of serrations and thick springs in the clip, perfectly fits with kinds of container backpack strap, perfect POV selfie mount for traveling, walking, outside surfing, parachute, hiking, skiing, snowboarding, hiking, biking, or other outdoor sports activities for your hands. This adaptability is ideal for getting those difficult photos that would be difficult to acquire with conventional mounts. Along with being built to last, the mount has a sturdy construction that makes it resistant to weather and heavy use. On number 4, we have Telesin underwater case. Anyone wishing to use their GoPro Hero 13 to explore the deep waters must have the Telesin underwater case. Fits flawlessly and closes firmly, offering optimal protection for your GoPro during intense adventures such as deep water diving, surfing, snorkeling, and other water sports activities. The case lens is made of ultra-thick tempered glass with high light transmission, which can keep an excellent photo shooting results and maintain clear and vivid video quality. Your movement and photography effects are likewise unaffected by anti-surf pressure. The primary structure is composed of high-quality PMMA plastic, makes it tough enough to protect your camera lens and LCD screen against high-impact drops, dents, and scratches. Furthermore, the Telesin underwater case has anti-fog inserts that stop condensation from accumulating, guaranteeing that your photos stay clear and sharp. The case is perfect for underwater expeditions with uneven terrain or demanding conditions because of its sturdy structure and great impact protection. So these are some of the best accessories to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.